Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video here on Swap Hub. I hope you all are having an amazing day, amazing week. My name is Gibmoses. For those that don't know, if you're new to the channel, a huge welcome to you. If you're looking for daily Bitcoin and Litecoin content, I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button and turning on your notification. That way when a video is up, you're able to tackle the market accordingly. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Today's video, I'll be analyzing this reverse head and shoulder that I spoke about in the gold membership group. This reverse head and shoulder pattern is basically indicating the next Bitcoin move that you all should be aware of. Now this reverse head and shoulder, it's a bit in depth, it's a bit complicated. If not used in the correct way, there is a possibility that you guys might lose money. So pay close attention on how you use a reverse head and shoulder pattern in your favor. Now a reverse head and shoulder, for those that don't know, we can go ahead and search up on Google what a reverse head and shoulder pattern is. Again, these patterns I don't usually come up with. These are patterns straight from the textbook that we find and play accordingly. So right here, as you can see, we have a reverse head and shoulder. Whenever the neckline is broken, we tend to get a breakout to the upside. If similar behavior was to repeat, where should your next target be? What's your neckline? Let's find out. This right here would be considered your right shoulder. We would have our head, and we would have our right shoulder, which is currently forming, followed by a neck breakout to the upside. Now hold up, it's not this easy, because in order for such reverse head and shoulder pattern to play out, there needs to be two pivots that need to break and hold above as a support. These reverse head and shoulder don't always act in a bullish momentum to the upside. There are times where it fails, and that's something that I want to touch up on. That way you guys are able to minimize your risk. Right now, right shoulder is being formed. As long as we don't break below $25.4 thousand level, this pattern remains valid. Ideally, the 0.618 fib level should be our maximum lowest point for our right shoulder. There are times, I'll be honest with you guys, where this right shoulder can go towards the 786. However, ideally, the 0.618 tends to be our golden pocket for our right shoulder. In order to measure our target, we're going to take from top to bottom, and we're going to take it straight to the neckline, just like that, which gives us a target of 29.7 thousand, which is a psychological level. Let's see if there's any confluence with this 29.7 thousand level. As we know from fib levels, the 1.618 and the 1.618 will have some kind of confluence. I've never measured this. However, just from previous experience, I know the 1.618 and the 186 will act as a resistance at this $29,000 range. So let's go ahead and measure that, and bingo, just like that, we have our 1.618 and our 186. Cool. So this right here is our next Bitcoin target. However, something very, very important to note is this pattern is not confirmed just yet. What makes this pattern a 100% confirmation that we're headed towards a rally of approximately, give or take, 12%, Bitcoin needs to break above $27.7 thousand level. When such resistance level is broken and held above as a support, that's your key indicator that you hop into the market, you buy at such levels, and you close with profits at 29.7, earning you a whopping return of 8%. Anything below the neckline, and this goes back to the psychology of these patterns, which I won't touch up too much in depth. However, anything below our neckline, which is below $27.4 thousand level, is a no trading zone. So until we're able to break above the neckline and we hold above nicely, then we can go ahead, place our buy stops, and take profits at $29.7 thousand level. The reason, and I want to emphasize on this, the reason you guys want to wait patiently for a confirmation break above the neckline is because there are times where we might go back up and we go further down for a failed pattern formation. Cool. So this pattern is yet not confirmed 100%. Now that we covered the neckline, what's important about this pattern, I hope you guys are able to tackle this pattern much more carefully. You're able to place your buy stops accordingly. Gold members, you're going to be notified ASAP with such confirmation break. Whether we get it or not, that's something that we're going to wait for. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. It gave you some kind of insight of what's happening in the market. With that being said, I'll see you all in tomorrow's video.